Hi everyone, this is Katie and today we are heading to my favourite place in the entire world, Pingyang Village. So this is a village located in the Rice Terraces in the south of China, just a few hours drive from Guilin. We took a Didi, which is like Uber from Guilin to the base of the terraces, which was an interesting journey indeed. Right, so we just went to the Longjing Rice Terrace ticket office. Our Didi driver just dropped us outside and we had to get 2 tickets for us. They look like this and they were 95 RMB each. And then because he's driving us into the Pingyang parking lot, we had to pay 10 RMB for his, like a parking thing for him to be able to drive that way. So you can't actually drive all the way up to the village itself. You do get dropped off at a car park, which is midway up the mountain, and then you need to walk up from here. How long the hike is depends on your fitness levels, but also where your hotel is located, because they do have these little guest houses and homestays in Pingyang Village, but then they also have some slightly further up that gets better views and stuff like that. It took us about 40 minutes to hike up to our hotel, and they do have these locals that you can pay to carry your luggage, which was really handy. We just had one small suitcase because we knew that it was going to be a hike, but it was very fortunate that we had someone there that we could pay to help us with our luggage because we were not used to this high altitude, I must say. So we have arrived here in our hotel at Pingyang Village. We are in a hotel called Li Ru Yu Du Villa. It's quite high at the top of the mountain, so we've come up, we've checked in, and the hotel room is absolutely stunning. It is definitely worth the hike, so I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. So I'm just going to start off with the bathroom. So you have your shower here, toilet and sink, and then this is the bedroom area. You've got your bed and a sofa, and there's plenty of space in this room. I love this table, the wooden table. And then this is why we've booked this room. So first of all, you have this view. So this is the Pingyang Village. Lots of different hostels, hotels, restaurants around here. And obviously you've then got the rice fields in the background. So I'll just take you outside because one of the reasons we really wanted to book this hotel room was because of this balcony. So a little area for us to sit on. And then this is our view on the balcony. Just simply stunning. I think we're going to enjoy a few sunsets and sunrises and just relaxing on the balcony and watching the local life here. It's really, really beautiful. This village is full of hills and pathways to get lost in, with plenty of great views everywhere you turn. That being said, every step around was like a little adventure, and we loved strolling around, finding different viewpoints and taking in this unique, authentic experience in China. As the day got on, we headed out to a nearby place for a local meal. For dinner, we had chicken, and I'm going to be honest with you, we saw them go and get the chicken from a pen nearby and then take it around the back alive. So it was a very fresh chicken indeed. We had this chicken broth followed by chicken and rice cooked in bamboo, which I actually really enjoyed. This is a local traditional meal that they have in the Rice Terraces where they cook rice and chicken in the bamboo itself. It is amazing. And then this vegetable side dish was also tasty. It was a little bit too spicy for me though. We had a great night's sleep and then headed out for the walking trails around the village. So the beauty of staying a night at a hotel here instead of coming on a tour, and you can do tours. I will leave a link or two in the description below for tours that you can do here if you are visiting Guilin and don't want to spend the night. But the beauty of spending the night is that you beat a lot of the tour groups coming. So we left early in the morning to get a quieter experience, and it was definitely worth it. So you may have to hike quite far to the top. But wow, it is worth it. This is such a beautiful, breathtaking destination, and although strenuous at times, the walks and hikes offer amazing views. We loved our day here and found the locals to be so friendly and kind. We actually flew the drone and it was great to show some of the local people what their home looked like from above. They were fascinated by it.
So we got to the top and we just decided to stop for a drink before we headed back down, and we were like, oh, I don't know what, the last viewpoint, the last place we had a drink, the view wasn't good enough, so we managed to beat it. So we got our drinks and this is the view. So we've got like a little balcony bit out here. Oh, the view. So this is the view from our cafe. So one of the things you can do, like dotted around on these little viewing points, is they have these shops where you can dress up in like traditional outfits and like take a nice photo in front of the rice fields.
Once we had taken enough photos and had a quick drink, we then headed back down the terrace, and because this is a touristy site, there are more shops like souvenir shops and places to get a drink or a snack along the way. It becomes more of a touristy site during the day. Honestly, once like 3 o'clock hit, all of the tourists went, and it was mainly local people and then a few people, mainly Chinese people actually, who were visiting the village, staying in the hotels and stuff around here.
So we spotted this like random post box. I was like, where are you going to get anything to post from here? Oh look, a postcard shop. That looks pretty exciting. So we're in this little postcard place. We've just picked up some photos, like some postcards for ourselves, just because they're so stunning. And then we've just picked up 2 postcards, one for each of our parents, and we're going to send them off. Apparently it costs 6 RMB to send postcards to the UK, which seems ridiculously cheap, but we'll see if it actually gets there. But I'm going to take a photo of it just in case. So you can like write your postcard in here and then send it in the post box outside. That's really cool, I like that. Look at this one. I really want to come here in December, but I just feel like, how on earth does anyone get to that viewpoint with the snow? Who knows?
So after a long day walking the trails, we headed back to our hotel and enjoyed a lovely meal on our balcony. Calum loved this fish and I was able to get my tasty bamboo rice again. So that was our 2 days in Pingyang village. This was such a wonderful, unique travel experience that I will be forever grateful for. China has some fantastic cities, but nothing beats exploring the great untouched nature. Our time here was magical, with amazing views everywhere we looked and a real glimpse into local life in a Chinese village. I know I always go on about this, and this is honestly my favorite place in the whole entire world. I hope that one day we'll be fortunate to go back here, but I highly recommend, if you are visiting China, especially if you're down in the south near Guilin or Yangshuo, anywhere down there, try and get yourself to Pingyang village before it gets ruined by tourists. It's incredible and we absolutely loved it. Hands down, my favorite experience of all time. Anyway, I'm going to stop going on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for all of your love and support on these China series videos. I have so much enjoyed sharing these memories with you, and I really appreciate everyone that's followed along, any new subscribers that's followed as well. Thank you for building this wonderful little community on YouTube with me. I am so grateful and thank you so much. Anyway, thank you again, and I shall see you next time for our last destination on this China travel series. We will be heading to Yangshuo and I can't wait to share it with you. See you next time. Bye.